Hi, I've just created a multi-page template for Excel 2016 users. It has a main table list that can be linked up to different Create workbooks. You can feel free to use it for whatever project you want. I'm going to show you how to automatically link up the workbooks as well as updating the descriptions in different languages. Let's begin. First of all, open up a browser. Simply search Drupal GitHub. Click the first result, and then repositories. Here you will find free resources. Hit that, and look for the Excel 2016 legacy file. Click it, and hit download. Go ahead and download it to your desired location. Go to your download location, and you should see the file. Ctrl X, copy it down to wherever I store, which is D drive. Ctrl V. Oops, got it already. Doesn't matter. This is your download template. So let me show you how to use it. Open it, double click to open. Enable editing. So I can now come here and try new functions. Mainly I want to try, oops, doesn't work. Alright, it works now. Workbook is table tab. Let's say I have 3 workbooks. Let's show it here. All tabs are already there. There's one here. Go to workbook 2, workbook 3. Here I have a table list, which is list of worksheets. Let me switch language. Yep, it works. It takes a moment to load. Okay, let's create a new link table. So I have to go back to tables. Here, tables. This one, tables. Switch to English, list of worksheets, which is this tab, tables. Let's make up a sheet 4. Just give it a name. Call it worksheet 4. Okay, so you should see this updated automatically, but it doesn't work when I click it because I haven't had a worksheet yet. So come down here, click plus to add a workbook. You can have a different name, but I just keep it here. Call it sheet 4. Remember to change this name to match with the tables. Make sure the worksheet name must be exactly the same as this one. So this can be linked up, alright. And then try clicking worksheet 4. See if it works. Oops, here we have worksheet 4. Worksheet 4 is now blank. So let's say we copy from worksheet 3. Go to worksheet 3. For these parts, copy them all. Highlight it and Ctrl C. And then go back to worksheet 4. Or whatever description, doesn't matter. Worksheet 4, right? Worksheet 4. Let me go back to the first cell. Here, cell A1. Ctrl V to paste it. So you see the button description is updated already. Okay, and so on. Okay, let's say if I want to add fields, since I've got some fields in worksheet 2. Okay, worksheet 2. Click it and copy these fields. Press Ctrl C. Go back to worksheet 4. Move to cell D5 position. Dot 5. Dot 5 here. Control V or just paste special. Here the formulas stay the same and the positions are all matched, as you can see inside. So what you need to change is here. So make a table, an arrow and down arrow, just like that. Control T to create a table. The table is just the area you specified. After that, Control 3, and you should see a new table. Like this one, Sheet 4. Sheet 4. Like this one, Refer to, and then Sheet 4. It's called Table 5, right? Let me rename it Worksheet 4. You can name it whatever you want. So it becomes Worksheet 4. Okay. Okay. And for each of the column, which is the first cell of the column, it's the column head. Here is the description. Just pick a field, click here, and make up a new field. Call it whatever. Whatever. Okay. Okay, whatever, and go back to Worksheet 4. Let's say if I put it as whatever. When drag up, you don't see anything here, right? Let's say if I Control C and then come here, right click, paste special, and then select formulas. Then it will show the description in Chinese, right? Let's change it to English. And it's now whatever. Alright. Remember, these column heads cannot be repeated. For example, I can type item again. If there's an item, and I type item here again, then you won't see anything. And this becomes item 2, which won't repeat. Okay, turn it back to whatever. This one. Okay, so this is the steps to add and use fields. You can now make use of these techniques to DIY your system, and all the basics are there. That's it. See you.